If you're dealing with a hoarder house in Columbus, Ohio, or anywhere in the state of Ohio, and you feel maybe a little overwhelmed or embarrassed, or you're just unsure where to start, then this video is for you. Maybe you inherited a property that's packed with years of belongings, or maybe you're helping a family member who struggled to keep up. Maybe the home has just been vacant for years and things just piled up, or maybe life happened and the cleanup just feels impossible at this point. A lot of people think a hoarder house is the end of the road. They think they need to repair it and deep clean it and haul everything out that's inside, make it perfect before they can even think about selling. The truth is, you don't need to do any of that. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, also known as Sell House Ohio. And for over 14 years, I've been helping homeowners all over Ohio sell their properties as is for a fair price, no matter how many items are inside and no matter what condition the home is in. And hoarder houses, they're way more common than people actually realize. So let me walk you through just what your options can look like and how we can help. So first and foremost, you do not need to clean anything. You don't need to clean the house. You don't need to organize anything. You don't need to remove any belongings or make any repairs. You don't even need to spend any money whatsoever, right? You don't need to organize dumpsters and contractors and cleanup crews, nothing like that. We buy hoarder houses exactly as they sit today, and we'll take care of all the trash. We'll take care of all the sorting and the contractors, repairs, and we'll take care of everything else after the closing. You don't need to lift a finger. You don't need to do anything. So when you reach out to us, the process is pretty simple. You can call or you can actually text me here at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com and you can fill out a form right there on the site. We'll talk for a few minutes about the situation, and based on your preference, we can either schedule a quick walkthrough, or you can even send in photos or a video tour of the house if you prefer, or we can send someone from our team to take a look and take the pictures for you if you prefer. There is no judgment whatsoever. Believe me when I say we have absolutely seen everything. We've seen far worse than anything you possibly are dealing with. And we treat every situation with respect and especially confidentiality. Once we take a look, we're going to run the numbers and we're going to give you a fair cash offer for the property. We're going to show you exactly what we feel the house would sell for if it was fully fixed up, and what it might cost to fix it, and what we really can realistically pay for this property in its as-is condition. There's no pressure to take the offer. If our offer works for you, great. If it doesn't, that's totally fine as well. There's no obligations. So if you do want to move forward, then we'll send you a very simple purchase agreement, and we send it right through a document signing platform right to your email, like DocuSign or something like that. And there's no complicated legal language. Everything's very simple. There's no surprises, right? And when we close the transaction, it's going to be at a local licensed title company right here in Ohio. You do not need to come to the closing. We have mobile notaries. They'll come to you. You don't even need to be in the state of Ohio. So in many cases, we could close in as little as a week. And here's a couple questions that I normally get. I get these all the time, actually, with hoarder homes, because they're actually more common than people tend to realize. People ask, do I need to clean anything out before you guys buy it? The answer is absolutely not. You can leave everything behind and we will take care of it. Another question is, are you going to judge me or my family member? Everybody, absolutely not. We have seen it all. You'd be shocked at how many of these that we buy. It is quite common in our world. What if the house has damage, or what if the house smells or has structural issues? Everybody, it does not matter. We will buy the house as is. How fast can you close? Well, in many cases, we can close in as fast as 7 days. If you need more flexibility, we can be flexible. If you need us to close faster, sometimes we can close even faster. Let me just give you a quick example here. We worked with a family recently. They inherited a house from a relative, and the relative had lived there alone in the house for years. And the home was filled wall to wall with belongings and just stuff. And the family didn't know where to start. They were stressed, and quite honestly, they were a little embarrassed. We came out, we made them a cash offer, we closed in a week, and they didn't have to lift a finger. They did nothing. They didn't have to spend any money. It was a very smooth transaction. And that's what we try to do with every single person who calls us about a hoarder house. So if you're dealing with a hoarder property in Columbus or anywhere in the state of Ohio and you want a simple way out, I'd love to talk to you. You can call or text me directly at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You just fill out a real quick form right there on the website, and we'll be in communication with you. And we could just talk through the situation and give you real options about the property. If it makes sense, I can make you a fair as-is cash offer for the property. There is no stress, there's no judgment, there's no obligation. So once again, my name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, also known as Sell House Ohio. And if you've got a hoarder house and you're ready for a solution, reach out. I'm here to help.